Good evening, friends. Welcome to the YouTube channel Advocate Amit Kumar Gupta. In my series on the income tax cases, the case which I am going to discuss today is very important. The name of the case is NITIN SHAH versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 97 ITR short notes 63, and the matter has been decided by Mumbai ITAT. This case has been adjudicated on 5th July 2022. Friends, as all we know that in the survey and search, there is a lot of pressure on the assessee. A large team comes to the premises of the assessee and takes the statement of the assessee. This is not a routine matter for any assessee or for any person in his lifetime. So there is a panic in the mind of the assessee. In this particular case, some searches were carried out, and in consequence of those searches, survey was conducted on the assessee and statement was taken from the assessee that assessee has received interest over and above which has been received in bank, and that interest is 6% of the loan amount. The assessee gave the statement to the department that assessee has received interest in cash at the rate of 6% over and above 12% which has been received in check. When the assessment proceedings were going on, the assessee withdrew his statement that any cash interest has been received, and the assessee claimed that whatever the statement was taken in the survey, that was under caution. But the assessing officer said that this retraction is done after a long period of time, and the assessee is not able to prove that there was caution while taking the statement, and hence the assessing officer made the addition of 6% of interest received in cash, which has been admitted by the assessee in its original statement, which was later on retracted during the assessment proceedings. The assessee went to the CIT appeal. CIT appeal also upheld the order of the assessing officer, so the assessee has no option other than going to the Mumbai ITAT. Mumbai ITAT said that there is no denying the fact that the assessee has admitted that he has received cash during his statement during the survey, but there is not an iota of evidence which shows that the interest has been received in cash. So, in lack of evidence, only the statement cannot be relied that the interest has been received in cash. What is important is the evidence and not the statement. And in this particular case, the statement has been retracted by the assessee, although it was very late and it was during the assessment proceedings. But the Mumbai ITAT said that without evidence you cannot make the addition of the assessee. There is a very important circular of the CBDT which says that during the assessment and during the survey and the such proceeding, statements are taken under caution in a number of the cases. But there is no effort in collecting the evidence in support of those statements. So what the department should do, department should not compel the assessee to surrender the amount of the undisclosed income which is not there, and the statement should not be taken under caution. And what the department should actually do during the survey and the such proceedings, that the department should try to gather as much as evidence through these survey and search operations. Friends, this is very general practice that when the department comes under the survey and the such proceedings, the assessee is in the panic. So it may happen that just to avoid any unusual condition, the assessee may give some statement which is not correct. Or it may happen that the assessee may actually come in the pressure, and assessee may think that if I will admit this, then I will be spared by the department. But when the assessee comes of the actual integrities of the assessment, that after having addition of the interest income or any other amount which has been claimed by the assessee or which has been admitted by the assessee during the statement, the assessee has to go for the penalty also, for the prosecution also. So when assessee realizes this thing after a long period of time, the assessee may retract, although the rules of the retraction says that there should not be any time gap between the original statement and the retraction. But sometimes the assessee is not educated. So assessee may realize after a long period of time that whatever I have stated was not correct. So the moot point in this particular case is that the evidence should be collected during the survey and the search proceedings, which is the basis of the assessment. So in this particular case, Mumbai ITAT deleted the addition of the 6% interest which has been admitted by the assessee to have been received in cash. Thank you, friends.